That was a weird sound. Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Katie's got water tonight
I
because
have
she is
water. I'm out of my grape juice, to be honest with you. Because this whole time I've been drinking grape juice because of little one growing here.
And now you've got water.
But now I had all my grape juice, so I'm on a sugar high, and now I'm calming it down with
you're
my
about
water.
ready to crash.
Yes.
We are nearing the end of our day of filming a bunch of videos for you guys.
Yes.
Yeah. And Katie's little preggers.
Yes, and it will be growing throughout the time, so
Yes, and eventually
y'all get to be a part of the journey.
Yes, they do.
Whether you like it or not.
Luckily, they just started the journey now. You know what I mean?
Now, if you have, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see how the whole birth process goes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, why not?
Should we film that?
Next live?
Oh,
Not the
goodness.
next live, actually. That'd be too early.
Way too early.
But make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Patreon.
All the things.
All the things. And be sure and join us for our new course, the Vocal Lab, From the Bedroom to the Stage, where we take you literally from your bedroom to your dream career. We'd love to see you be part of that 4-week program with us.
That's right.
And lastly, be sure and check out those streaming services for yours truly singing a lovely little song to
Lovely little song.
croon you into your night or day or sleep, whatever. Hey, but let's get to this video. We've had a lot of recommendations.
Galore.
Galore. Galottal squeeze galore.
Oh, yeah.
And this is Morissette. She's doing a I keep saying Bruno's.
What
Bruno
is with
Mars.
you?
Bruno Mars medley. I'm really intrigued by what she's gonna do with this.
Yeah, same.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh. Stop with that outfit.
That outfit.
And that hair.
Oh.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile,
Bruno should have her out.
Yeah, definitely.
Can you imagine?
I like this whole setup.
Me too. Perfect for your wine.
Yeah.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby.
That squeeze.
Nothing on you, baby. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Oh, yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the earth is unprepared when I'm a billionaire.
Yeah.
Just say I do.
This song has such good memories.
I
of when
love
it came
this.
out.
I was going to say that too. I love this song.
Yeah.
Right now, baby, baby, just say I do. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful night. I'm looking for something dumb to do.
I love her diction right there.
Yeah.
Dum da do.
Love that little bell chime too. That's cool.
With hopes you're on the other side, talking to me, so am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? I know it's somewhere out there, somewhere far away.
Cue the smoke. so fun.
Oh, those shoes.
Yeah, stylist, like, if she styled it or whoever did, like, killed it. Bruno, get this girl on with you.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, how fun. Yeah, girl.
Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, hey, hey. Push up, pinky, raise up, two.
Oh.
What you trying to do?
Putting that attitude in all this.
24 karat magic in the air.
Brilliant medley.
Right.
Look out! Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Hey, it feels so good to be us. Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Girl, we got it going on. Yeah, feels so good with you. Maybe let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh, I love that dress, but you don't need it anymore. No, you don't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked. There's such a other blood. Oh, take it off from me, from me, from me, from me
Such a good
now.
song.
Beside you on the floor, smoking out the window. See how could you do this to me? But I thought that girl belonged to only me. But I was wrong. She belonged to everybody.
Yeah.
I'ma leave the door open, baby. I'ma leave the door open, girl. Hey, and I'm hoping that you feel like you feel and you want me like I want you to know, baby. Tell me that you're coming I'm waiting, waiting, waiting for you. Yeah, come on over, baby. I'ma leave the door open for you.
Wow. That's the way to end it.
Incredible.
Incredible. You know what's so good about that?
What? I mean, everything.
Everything, but I mean, I did one time think of Bruno.
Good catch.
She made that sound like that was a collection of her
of
hits.
hers. This is why Bruno should have her on. Also, a song of his
Wow.
that might be, I don't know, it's actually my favorite song of his is that song Gorillas.
Yeah.
And everything he does dynamically in that song is insane.
Oh, yeah, that song's sick.
Insane. I'd love to hear her sing that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Great medley. Morissette, you're the best.
She's
you're
a
the
star.
absolute best.
She knows it.
Holy
We know it.
cow, you guys. Another golden holy cow. In the meantime, I am Katie Talbot.
And I am Jason Catron.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Love y'all.
That was a weird sound.